In this video, we will be replacing the windshield wiper blades in this 2019 Jeep Compass. We can begin by extending back the driver's side wiper blade. On our wiper blade, we have a small tab that we can flip back. And if we then rotate that wiper blade back, we can see a small tab that needs to be depressed. As we depress that small button, we can release the wiper blade, and then using a little bit of downward force, we can remove the wiper blade off of the wiper blade arm. We then want to check our existing wiper blade with our new wiper blade to make sure that we install the right size. And we can then install our new one according to the directions provided by the manufacturer. And remove that protective guard. On the passenger side, we can release the tab, followed by depressing the small button and sliding the wiper blade downward to remove it from the wiper blade arm. We can then install our new wiper blade into place, following the manufacturer's directions, and make sure that gets clipped into place. After that, we can remove that protective edge. And this repair is complete.